Hello guys, I wanted to do a video about this 1956 F100 that I got. This is a project that I bought about 5 or 6 years ago. Um, I haven't been able to work on it, but I had a lot of ideas since I first got this truck. One of the main things that I wanted to do is I wanted to have a modern suspension. That's where I'm going to start to talk about this truck. Right now we have a Crown Victoria narrow front end, and I'm by myself, so I'm gonna be just putting my phone here, and I'm gonna be showing you something. This truck here, we got quite a bit of stuff we've been doing to the truck. This is a brand new hood that we bought. We had to do a stainless front tilt kit, and we had to paint all of that. Right now we're on the stage where we're building it, but the coolest thing on this truck is that we have a 7.3 Godzilla engine in it. This engine, it's a new engine. So yeah, it's a 2023 Godzilla engine in it. We're trying to install the original radiator. We adapted an electric fan for these. And we have a Crown Victoria narrow front end. This is a custom suspension for these. Because of the engine, I cannot show you that, but like we have the engine already into the motor mounts, and that's already welded in. So we got that. Another thing that I'm doing with this truck is I'm using the 6R140 transmission that comes with the 7.3 Godzilla engine in it, and this transmission is massive, so I had to do this tunnel here for the transmission. And one of the other things that I really like about this, and I hope everything works, is I have a 2022 Mustang IRS rear independent suspension. We already installed it in there. Right now it's not welded because I'm trying to figure out my angle for my pinion and the actual location of the suspension. But then once I actually get it done, we're gonna go ahead and weld it. I have it designed where we can just bolt it in, but I think I'm gonna feel safer if we weld it. We are also working on this bed. We raised it about 5 or 6 inches because we want to have a custom fuel tank that we built in here. Well, a friend of mine made it with one of his friends, but I had bought that one. That's a 19-gallon, but I think for the 7.3 engine, you need to have a decent size fuel tank. I don't want to be filling up, every 150 miles or whatever. So right now we got this is probably gonna be about 40-gallon tank. And yeah, so we have that. We're working on that, and the reason we raised it is because it was sticking way down low. We have a real roll pan that is custom. We're gonna have flush mount lights, and there's quite a bit of stuff that we're doing that is custom to this truck. We have these fenders that are 3 inches wider than stock, and of course, because of the suspension, we don't have a whole lot of clearance for wheels, so that's the reason we're using this modern wheel. This is 20 by 12 on the back, but we're using these Michelin's 345 30/20 tires into this truck. This is going to be really cool. They're pretty wide. That's the widest 20-inch tire you can get. And we have a smooth tailgate. And as I said before, there's a lot of things that are going on with this truck. We have a lot of plans. We're going to have a custom leather interior. This is the the big window. We're trying to figure out how I'm going to do my step sides, because I bought this original style, but I think since I'm modifying everything on the truck, I think I'm going to make them smooth. I haven't pulled the trigger on it just yet, but I want to show you something that we also are doing into this. We're using the steering wheel of the 2023 E350 into this. We're hoping we're going to be able to make everything work. But anyway, I just thought about sharing a video. This is a really cool truck. This is one of the most beautiful trucks I've ever seen. and I wanted to own one. On the past, I've done several other cars, like we did that 67 fastback. We've done a bunch of the Eleanors, and we've been doing this for quite some time. And we have I'm going to try to show you. We have a bunch of trophies of some of the cars we've done. We've done Best in Show, and we have a bunch of first places for the 67 Mustangs. We have all kinds of rewards for the cars that we've been working on. But anyway, I'll just, right now I'm working on this truck. I'm excited about this project. I'm hoping that I can get it started, get it running, and, I just thought about sharing the video, guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. And follow me for more content about old classic cars and trucks. Thank you for watching.